In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Spotify Canvas video for your Spotify releases. So if you don't know what Spotify Canvas is, I'm going to link a video below explaining what it is, but it's basically an 8-second looping video that you can add to your singles on Spotify. So this is going to be a video for the laziest creators. If you just want something quick to add to your songs, to give your audience something visual to vibe with while they listen to your song, the first way is to go to pexels.com. As you can see on the screen, this is the website. So you go to pexels.com, which is a site that allows you to access stock footage that is free to use in your music videos, in your commercial videos, in any type of videos. And it also has photos there as well. So what you do as soon as you come to the homepage here, you come and select videos. And then you come and search for whatever it is you want your video to be about, your Spotify Canvas. So maybe if it's a calm song, you want maybe ocean waves, right? So let's type in ocean waves. Boom. Now you can see these videos here are in a 1920 by 1080 pixel dimension. What we are looking for are videos that are in that real format, that 1080 to 1920 pixel. So you come to filters, and then you come to all orientations, and then you make them vertical so that all the videos they bring are in that format. So as you can see, there are several options. Here they actually mention how many videos they have. They have 20.5 thousand or 20,500 videos or 20.5K videos. So there are a variety to look at. And there are many interesting ones. You can look at this. You just need to hover over it in order for it to play, to look something like this. You can come back to this. I like this. So there are some very beautiful videos that you can take a look at and use for your own Spotify Canvas. And it's free. You don't have to pay for this. Now, the second thing is, before I move on to the second thing, you can really just explore. If it's not ocean waves you want to look at, maybe you could be like stage lights, right? I just want to try to show you the diversity on this. So maybe you want this woman dancing, right? On your song. A loop of her just, doing her motion. You can add that. I don't know if there will be any rights involved. If maybe she finds that you're using it on your song, I don't know. But what I know is that you can use these videos to make money in your projects as well. You can use them as stock footage. So there are all these different videos you can pick from. The second way is using a platform that has freelancers on it. So here you can see Fiverr, but then there are other options like Upwork as well that you can take a look at. Here, if you want to hire someone for cheap to create for you maybe a motion graphic or to edit for you some footage that you have, probably you shot a music video and now you want them to chop it up in a way that it is in 8 seconds and it's an interesting loop that people can feel nice watching while they listen to your song. So you come here and you type in motion graphics. Right? And you find people in different price ranges who can design for you a motion graphic for your Spotify Canvas. So you will have a plethora of options. It's really up to you. You want to go high end, you want to do it for cheap. Maybe you see here there's $30. I'm sure you can go as low as, here you can see $20, and this is a 4.9 star creator, so 92 reviews as well. So there are so many things here you can look at. You can also go as high as $950. So it's all about your pocket. You decide, and these guys can put something great for you together. Now, in the next video, not literally like the next, but in the next video about Spotify Canvas, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually create your own Spotify Canvas in Canva, which is an online graphic design platform. They recently added the video feature, so you can actually create videos in here, as you can see with this. So let's just play this. You see what it looks like. You see that? So you could edit this work and make it interesting at a very low cost. And yeah, this platform is free. It also has a premium side to it, but it's basically free. The free option can do a lot for you as a creator. So tune in for the next video. Subscribe to the channel if you found some value, and I'll see you in the next one.